students, this is Samir Qureshi. In this class, we will solve the practice set 1. So look at here, the first question is, draw a line segment of the length given below and draw their perpendicular bisector. Okay, तर या फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइजमध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर करायचं आहे. इथं लेंथ दिलेली आपल्याला फर्स्ट आहे 5.3 सेंटीमीटर and second 6.7 and 3.8 cm. Okay, we will draw a perpendicular bisector of 5.3 centimeter. Now look at here. Here I draw a 5.3 centimeter length. Give the length name of this length. Okay, this is A and this is B. Take a needle, take a compass. Using compass we can draw a perpendicular bisector of this length. Okay, take a measure more than a half of this length, more than half. Okay, like this. Take a needle of point of A and draw a arc on upper side and as well as below side. Similarly, take a point, a needle of a B and make it arc. Okay, and join the two arc each other, so we will get a perpendicular of a bisector. Look at here, this is our perpendicular bisector. This is a 90-degree angle. The A perpendicular to the B. It means 5.3 सेंटीमीटरचे आपण 2 पार्ट्स केलेले आहे. तर A and B हे काय आहे, त्याचे इक्वल आहे, हाफ पार्ट आपण याच्यात केलेले आहे. सो A is perpendicular to the B. Okay, understand? This is a 90-degree angle. Okay, look at the next example. 6.7 cm. I have already drawn a length. Give it name P and Q. P and Q. Using a compass, we will draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, take a measure more than a half of this length, more than a half. Okay, look at like this. Put a needle on point P and make it arc here as well as here. Okay, now put a needle a point Q and similarly same procedure. Okay, so if we join 2 points to each other, so we will get a bisector of 6.7 centimeter. Okay, look at here like this. This is the perpendicular of PQ. Okay, it is also a 90-degree angle. It is also a 90-degree angle. Okay, perpendicular means it is right angle and 90-degree angle. Okay, now next exercise, draw their perpendicular bisector of 3.8 centimeter. This is homework for you. Complete this exercise and send on WhatsApp group. Okay, now let's look second question. Draw angle of the measures given below and draw their bisector. Okay, 105 degree, 55 degree and 90 degree. Let's look. First we have to draw a length, and after that using this protractor we can make our 105 degree. First take the protractor on the length. ओके, आपल्याला काय करायचं इथं प्रोट्रॅक्टरचा वापर करून 105 डिग्रीचा बायसेक्टर काढायचा आहे. तर आपण काय करायचं इथं बरोबर याला सेंटरमध्ये घ्या. ठीक आहे, लाईन बरोबर घ्यायची. हां, ठीक आहे. लुक ॲट हिअर. ओके, नो दिस इज रॉंग. ओके, and count the measure the number anti-clockwise direction and below the numbers. आता खालचे नंबर आपल्याला काउंट करायचे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी वेअर इज द 105 डिग्री. लुक ॲट हिअर. दिस इज 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 डिग्री, 100, and this is a 105. Okay, this is 105. Okay, join the two lines, this sides and this. Look at this. This is our 105 degree angle. Now bisect this angle. You all know about how to bisect. Okay, using this compass. Okay, first give it name. This is A and this is B. Okay, using this compass, take a needle here and make it arc here as well as here. Okay, sorry. Further, again put a needle on this arc and make it arc here again. Okay, this is, and also here. Look at here. This point not intersect, this arc not intersect to each other. So again we will draw arc. Oh no, this is okay. So join the two lines. Look at here. We will get bisector of this angle. This is a half of 105 degree and this is the half of 105 degree. Now next example is 55 degree angle and 90 degree angle. This is homework for you. Complete these two angles and send on a WhatsApp group. Okay, look at this. Next exercise is draw an obtuse angle triangle and a right angle triangle. Find the points of concurrence of the angle bisectors of each triangle. Where do the points of concurrence lie? This is also a homework for you. Complete the number 3 exercise and send on WhatsApp group. Okay, now the number 4 question is draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of its sides. Where does the point of a concurrence lie? आपल्याला आता एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल तयार करायचं आहे आणि त्याचे काय करायचं, परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर्स. परपेंडिक्युलर यू नो. ओके, लेट्स सी how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Look at here. This is our right angle triangle. Okay, triangle ABC. We will bisecting the lines. Okay, first we have to bisect B and C. Okay, with the help of compass we will bisecting this line, perpendicular bisecting, sorry. Okay, take a measure more than and half. Okay, and take a needle on point B, draw a arc here as well as here. Okay, now take a point on C, draw arc here as well as here. Okay, join the two lines, we will get the perpendicular of BC. This is the perpendicular of BC. This is also a 90-degree angle. Same like that, we will bisecting a side AB. Okay, measure the length more than a half. Draw a arc here as well as here. Okay, take a point on side B, draw arc here as well as here. Okay, let's joining the two lines. Again the side AC. आता साइड AC चं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, परपेंडिकुलर काढायचं आहे. टेक अ मेजर मोर दॅन अ हाफ. ओके, and draw the arc here as well as here. Take a point on a B, A, and draw arc here as well as here. Draw this line.